Today, I'm going to show you how to add multiple artboards in Photoshop, a skill that's super useful whether you're designing a website layout, creating social media graphics, or just trying to organize multiple concepts in a single file. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly set up and manage several artboards, streamlining your workflow and making it much easier to compare, export, and present your work. Let's dive right in. The first method uses the Artboard tool, which is Photoshop's dedicated feature for handling multiple workspaces inside one project. To get started, look for the Move tool on the left-hand toolbar. If you don't see the Artboard tool directly, try clicking and holding on the Move tool icon, or simply press Shift+V on your keyboard. That quick shortcut toggles between Move and Artboard tools, saving you a bit of time. If it's your first time working with artboards, you'll want to make sure your new document has artboards enabled. Just head up to File, select New, and in the dialog box, look for the Artboards option. When you check that box and create your document, Photoshop sets you up with your initial artboard, sort of like your first canvas. Now, to add new artboards, make sure the Artboard tool is active. You'll notice little plus icons appear along the sides of your current artboard. It's a bit like adding rooms to a digital house. Every time you click a plus icon, Photoshop instantly pops out a new artboard with matching dimensions right next to the first one. This is really handy. It means you don't have to keep re-entering size details or adjust each space manually. You can quickly build out a whole grid or sequence of designs side by side, which is perfect for things like storyboard panels or app screens. Sometimes you might want to duplicate an existing artboard. Maybe you want to try out a different variation without messing up your first idea. Start by selecting the artboard you wish to duplicate in the Layers panel. Here are two ways to do it. One is to hold down the Alt key, Option key on Mac, then drag the artboard directly in the workspace. As you drag, Photoshop makes an exact copy of both the artboard and everything inside it. A great time saver if you're working with structured layouts or repeating elements. If dragging feels a bit fiddly, don't worry. You can also right-click on the artboard in the Layers panel and choose Duplicate Artboard. Photoshop will prompt you to name your new artboard. This is a small step, but naming artboards clearly can save you a lot of confusion down the line, especially if you're juggling 5 or more at once. For those who love keyboard shortcuts, here's an even faster method. With your artboard selected in the Layers panel, simply press Ctrl+J if you're on Windows or CMD+J on a Mac. Instantly, your artboard, including all its contents, is duplicated right next to the original. This shortcut becomes second nature once you're comfortable with artboards and need to iterate quickly. A quick tip: if you're adding many artboards and your workspace starts to feel crowded, don't hesitate to zoom out or rearrange them. You can easily drag artboards around the canvas, so each one is easy to access and view. It's all about creating an environment that helps you work smarter. And there you have it. Adding multiple artboards in Photoshop isn't just about having extra canvases. It's about organizing your ideas and giving your creative process space to breathe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Photoshop trick you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.